In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a group email in Gmail. This is a simple way to email several people at once without typing each address individually, and it all starts with setting up a group using Google Contacts. Begin by opening Google Contacts at contacts.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you use for Gmail. This is where all your saved contacts live, and it's the place to organize them into a reusable email group. If you don't see certain people here, they'll need to be in your contacts for this method to work, so confirm the folks you want to reach are listed. Next, create a contact group using a label. In Contacts, select the people you want to email together. Then create a new label, give it a clear name like Work Team or Friends, and apply it to those selected contacts. This label is your group. A quick tip, choose a name you'll remember and keep it consistent. Labels are flexible, so you can add or remove people later, and every future email you send to that label will automatically reflect those changes. This means your group stays up to date without any extra effort. Now head over to Gmail and click Compose to open a new message. A small window will appear where you can set everything up. Make sure you're composing from the same account that holds your label, so Gmail can recognize it. In the To field, start typing the label name you just created. Gmail will suggest the matching label as you type. Select it, and all the email addresses associated with that label will automatically populate the recipient list. If privacy is a concern and you don't want recipients to see each other's addresses, you can move the group to be CC instead of To. Otherwise, leaving the label in the To field is perfectly fine for teams who expect to see who else is included. Go ahead and add your subject line, then write the body of your message as you normally would. Be clear and concise so everyone understands the purpose of the email. If you're emailing a group regularly, consider setting a consistent format for your subject, like including the project name, to make messages easier to find later. Before sending, take a moment to review. Confirm the label shows the correct group, scan your subject and message for accuracy, and make sure the tone fits your audience. When everything looks good, click Send. Your email will go out to every contact in that label, saving you time and ensuring your group gets the same message all at once.